Hey, welcome to Homer's Honeybee. I have a project for you. So today I just wanted to demonstrate really quick how to make a cup for mite wash. Using either an alcohol wash or a Dawn dish soap solution. Just wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to make one because I had some people asking about it. The items that you're going to need for this little project here, just a couple cups. You need to have them so they're see-through, so you can see the mites dropping down to the bottom. You need a 1/8 inch hardware cloth or this little mesh screening, knife to cut the cup. You need tin snips, a hot glue gun, and a regular size canning lid ring and spray paint can. So this is how we put these together. Step 1, cut the cup. Step 2, grab the screening mesh, put it on top of here, grab a paint can, and press. Pretty slick. Just learned that from my dad. Pretty smart guy. Now we can glue to the cup. Fit it down this way. Grab your glue gun. And go to town. Doesn't have to be perfect. And just like that. You have your lids. When that dries, you stick that in there. Do your test. Piece of cake. See you next time.